Mould in your bathroom? With these HG products, you can easily remove even the most stubborn mould. It's easy and safe to use. With HG Mould Spray, you can easily and instantly remove all mould in your home. And for mould in hard-to-reach places or on vertical surfaces, use HG Mould Remover Foam Spray. It has a better adhesion due to its foaming formula and removes mould in hard-to-reach areas. Mould is unpleasant in many ways, but did you know that it's also bad for your health? HG Mould Remover Foam Spray cleans it up in no time. Spray the mouldy surface with the foam spray. Leave it for 30 minutes, then simply rinse with water. Your bathroom is now mould-free. HG does what it promises.